หลายคนถามหลายคนก็สงสัยสเต็มมาของ MFF นั้นเป็นอย่างไรอะ STEMMA สเต็มมา STEMMA
Hi everyone, this is week 8 and this is the water down the string experiment. For this we will need 2 cups, some string, water which we have coloured blue so you can see it, and a little bit of tape. Now we have cut a piece of string and sellotaped it onto this empty glass here. Now we have the full glass. We have not taped this one. I'm just going to hold it here with my finger. Now, because the water is both cohesive and adhesive, it will stick to the string and go into the glass. Wow, look at that. Now you can do it. You can try it yourself. Thank you. Bye.